Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kaale and you can call me Kelly Loves Alot. And today we are on episode 3 of the Makeup 101 and it is eyeshadow. I will be showing you guys how to do a very easy eyeshadow look with neutral colors. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and leave a comment down the comment section down below. Alright guys, without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. Okay. As you saw in the introduction that I already did my eyebrows, okay? So I did one eye off camera and we're gonna do the other one on camera. Just trying to save time, not trying to make this video too long, and let's get started. Okay, first things first, we'll be using those two brushes that I talked about in the Makeup 101 video. These two brushes. In addition to those brushes, I have an angled brush and I don't know what you call this brush, but I use it to do like my inner corner highlighter. I don't know what you call this. You can use any brush for that. Okay, first things first. Did I say first things first already? But whatever. First things first, we're gonna prime our eyelid with concealer, with the concealer that we used to carve the under eye. We're gonna prime our eyelid just like that with this blending brush that I have here. It's my favorite. It's about to. Yes, my concealer is very light because I want the eyeshadow colors to pop. We need them to pop. Alright, and after doing that, we're gonna go in using this brush and using this shade. Oh my god guys, did I forget to show you? Okay, from the Makeup 101 video, I talked about this Kaale bronze palette, and I said that you can use any palette that has brown shades, neutral shades. So going in with this reddish brown color, no, going in with the orange first, this orange shade. I'm gonna go in with that brush, this brush. I'm gonna go in. How many times am I saying go in? Okay, we're gonna blend the orange shade in the crease. Where is this shine star coming from? In the orange shade in the crease. Okay, this brush already had this color in. And then going in with the reddish brown color on the outer corner of your eye, dragging it up to the crease. And then blending it into the orange shade that we put first. The reddish color, right? The reddish brown. Blending it into the orange shade. Into the eye, to the outer corner. Like really blend, 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 guys. Okay. Is that enough blending? There's never enough blending. I do not lay my edges, don't judge me. Can you guys suggest good gels to use to lay edges? I used to use the Eco Gel, but now it doesn't do the things properly anymore. I started using the molding gel, the dreadlock molding gel, but it's also not holding up the way I wanted to. So can you guys please suggest to me a good edge control gel that I can use? Alright, going in with this brush. This is called a lid brush, shading brush, a lid shading brush. We're gonna go in, don't mind my broken mirror. We're gonna go in to this brown shade. It looks orange, but it's not orange, it's brown, a light brown shade. Putting that into our brush. We're gonna pack it on right here. If you want a smoky eye at this part, you can use like a dark brown, but I'm always afraid of smoky eyes, and I'll try them one day. I'll do them one day. This brown shade, liking it. It's kind of like a skin tone shade to me, right? But yeah, we're going for a soft, little cute look. Then the edges. Okay, so we've lost some of that reddish color, so we're gonna increase it, and also to blend with the brown shade. I don't know if you guys see a difference. These colors are different though. I don't know if the difference is showing on here, but they are different. Okay. Okay. Right, and then we're gonna use the angled brush, and we're gonna go into the dark brown shade. And we're just gonna kind of use the dark brown shade as a liner, smudging it onto the lash line, just to give the lash line definition, kind of dragging it out. Right, dragging it out a bit, not too much. I'm not looking for a capped eye, but like here. And just add on some more on the side. Right, Then using that other brush that I showed you that I don't know the name of, we're gonna go into this shimmer shade right here. We're gonna put it in the inner corner. Got lost this side. All right, and we're done. That was fast, wasn't it? That was fast. This is an eye look that doesn't need you to take too much time doing it, and I think we all like that. We all want that in our lives. Okay guys, so I am done with the eyeshadow. So y'all guys know that the next step is foundation. I know this looks awkward, eyeshadow looks awkward without foundation on, guys. Well, especially for me because of these marks. If you have perfect skin, then do you boo, put on them eyebrows, put on the eyeshadow, and be on the way with your flawless, gorgeous, clear skin. That is for me. I have to put on foundation after this. Alright, be on the lookout for that video, and thank you so much for watching this one. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you find that this eye look is very easy to do. It's nothing difficult as long as you have the right shades. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a comment in the comment section down below of what you think of it, of what you would like to see, and remember to keep calm and laugh a lot. Alright guys, bye. Okay, I came back guys, and I just wanted to show you guys what the eyeshadow looks like with the whole face on, and this is what it is. I have on orange eyeshadow on my lips. I don't know why it looks red here. I probably when I edit it will look orange again. This monitor keeps showing me dust with colors. I know I become colorblind when I look at it. So this is the final eye look. This is the eye look, what it looks like. I put black liner, just simple black liner on my waterline, and put on mascara, no lashes, so you guys could see this eye look. Alright guys, alright, thank you so much for watching this video once again, and I'll see you guys next time for the next video. You know what it is. Can't wait to see you. Bye. Mwah.